Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 easy online typing jobs that pay you via PayPal. So, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, I want to say an absolute welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. And for the new ones, if you like how to make money online, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, work from home jobs, you're at the right place because on this channel, that's what I talk about. And make sure you become a part of the family by liking, subscribing, and make sure you turn on that bell notification because every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. For my regulars, good to have you here. It's always a pleasure just creating new videos, new content, and ways how it can help you in the online space. So we're going to jump into things. We're going to dive into things. We're going to get rocking and rolling. So again, this is 5 easy online typing jobs that pay you via PayPal. So let's do this. So once again, 5 easy online jobs, typing jobs, I should say, that pays via PayPal. So the first website is called typingtest.com. Now, the reason why I pulled this up because this is a great way to figure out how fast you can type in a space of minutes. So this is like a trial run. So you could come on here and you could test. So you can click on here where it says, okay, 2-minute test, 1-minute test, 5-minute test specific. And you could go on here and click on whichever one. So you could go start typing and you're just going to see how fast and how efficient that you can do because we're talking about typing jobs here. So if you don't know your speed, this is a place that you can go start practicing and get those fingers moving and grooving. So the very first website that I'm going to be talking about online typing jobs that pays you via PayPal is called TranscribeMe. And TranscribeMe is just a great website. And if you want to know how to sign up for it, all you have to do is just scroll all the way to the bottom. So I'm just going to bring it down to the bottom, all the way down here at the bottom. And then once you come down here, you can go right over this side where it says become a transcriptionist. So you click on where it says become a transcriptionist. And then once you do that, let me just clear this out. This is telling me that I need some Chrome or some kind of stuff. But anyways, I'm sure you guys can see. But all you have to do is come here, read all about it, get all the information, sign up for it. Once you sign up, it'll probably ask you for your country. And this is definitely worldwide. So anywhere in the world you are and you want to have a nice online typing jobs, especially easy ones, this is one of them. So all you have to do is just come down here, create an account. Once you sign up, you're ready to go. So transcribeme.com is the place to go. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is called Rev. And Rev is a great place. And as you can see right here, transcriptionists, captionists, foreign subtitles. So they tell you how much they're paying per minute. So as you can see, $1 per minute. So you're looking at $60. I'm sure right here, you got to be at least fast with typing. You got to have some experience under your belt as well. And again, start practicing, start getting going, and you should be up and running in no time. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, everything is always at the bottom. You can click over where it says Certified Translation, Business Translation. This is where you want to go, or you want to go to the transcriptionist area, free call recorder, or voice recorder. And how it works, you can click on where it says how it works. Click on how it works, and you could see, okay, price. This is exactly what most people will come and they will pay for a service to get their videos or audio or whatever it is transcribed. So if you click back on here, and when you click over here and it says freelancers, you can click on freelancers. There's a great video here that you guys can watch, so make sure you click on it. Join Rev Global Team Freelancer. And here are some of the things that you can apply for Number one, a transcriptionist. Number two, captioner, subtitler, or a translator. So right here it says earn money while working from home. So yeah, this is a great place. And as you can see, you get paid via PayPal for all the work you complete, which is good. So they do weekly payouts via PayPal. So type in jobs and you get weekly payout. And then if you look down here, you see transcriptionist. You listen to audio, video type. You get anywhere from like 36 cents to 65 cents per audio minute. You can apply for that. You can also apply for this as well. $1.50 to $3, 5 cents to 7 cents. So I'm sure these ones, yeah, you gotta have some experience under your belt to get these. But again, start going to type in jobs over here. Sorry, typeintest.com, start practicing, and you can get going. Now, the next website is called QuickTate. So QuickTate.com. Here are some of the companies that they work for, right? You CNN, Ford, Wells Fargo, huge company, Coca-Cola, of course. And they have everything listed for you. So you can go down here where it says partner links and become a transcriber. And then once you click on transcriber, all you got to do, you'll see you just sign up for it, sign up, and you can get going right away. And it probably asks you like, how does everything work? Now you could just come up here and you could do a free test, submit files, receiving files. This is more of like if somebody want to, sign up for it. But if you want to work for them, this is where you want to go. Become a transcriber, and you'll be up and running in no time. All right, so the next easy online typing jobs that you can do that you get paid via PayPal. Number 4, coming in at number 4 is Scribby.com. So Scribby.com is a good place as well. You get audio, you get video files, and the rate's starting at 10 cents per minute. And believe it or not, this is 10 cents per minute. This is what they're charging people for if they want to do their service. Now, if you want to sign up for them, scroll all the way down to the bottom. As you can see, like highly recommended by our customers. So those are testimonials, and this is where you're gonna apply. So join Scribby as a transcriber. Click on here. Once you click it, right over here you can see all the reviews. Home-based job, work at your convenience. See, it's great, work from home, and $5 to $25 hourly rate, and this is in USD. So they have some information here that you can go through. There are some requirements, of course: good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversations, and you get verified by PayPal. So yes, they do pay via PayPal, which is good. And then once you get verified by PayPal, that's how they're gonna pay you. And the payments, we pay $5 to $25 per audio hour. So imagine being at home and doing all this transcription. You most definitely can bring in some money. And yeah, potential earning, monthly earning, only transcription, $200 to $300 per month. And it goes up as you get better in whatever field. And of course, you be a top person for them, you're going to get more money. That's how it is. You work your way up the ladder. Coming in at number 5 is GoTranscript. And GoTranscript is a great place for you to work. And you could come on here and you could check out what they have to offer. And again, scroll all the way down to the bottom. And that's how you become a part of the family. And again, they do pay via PayPal. So the services they offer is right over here. If you want to work, you can click on where it says work for transcriptionist, work. And then once you click on work, it will tell you transcriptionist jobs available worldwide. So this is worldwide. Sign up for this, get going. Don't forget this website right here, typeintest.com. If you're brand new, you could start practicing on there and start to get going. And as you can see, potential earnings is $1,215. That's top monthly earnings. So imagine if you have a skill of being a transcriptionist or typing, and if there's two audios going along, it's all right. You could separate them, proper punctuation, letters, all that type of stuff you can put together, and you can make this work for you. So you can work from home, get reliable work, flexible hours, and of course they pay via PayPal. Don't forget. So hope you enjoyed this video. That was 5 easy online typing jobs that pays you via PayPal. See you guys on the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.